What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you top 5 ways to promote WarriorPlus products, and you can make over 100 per day by using these 5 ways. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and long run your affiliate marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, WarriorPlus, JBJU, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And at the end of this video, I will show you how can I make this $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now, in this video, step by step, I will show you these top 5 ways to promote JBJU products, and you can make 100 per day or more. But at first I want to say all these 5 ways are not overnight getting results. You don't get overnight results using all those 5 ways. You have to grow all these 5 ways day by day gradually. After that you can get traffic for a long time, for a lifetime. But if you want to get overnight success within 1 day, 2 day or 7 days, then it's not possible. It's not a bulky method or bulky software that will promise make money within 1 day, 24 hours, 28 hours. No software, no bulky method is possible to make it happen. So you have to grow your traffic sources step by step, day by day, for the right way. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. So I will show you all these 5 ways that will help you to promote your WarriorPlus products and make 100 or more per day. So at first you have to sign up WarriorPlus account. Sign up free. It's here is your username, password and email address, and just create your account. It's so much easy and so much simple. Just 1 minute or less than 1 minute needed to sign up this WarriorPlus. After sign up your WarriorPlus, then see here affiliate and get offers. You see all the offers of WarriorPlus, and for promoting this WarriorPlus offers, you can send this affiliate request for promoting, for getting approval to promote these products. Or if you want to promote upcoming products or newly released product, then go this website mansai.com, and you see here all the latest product and upcoming products of WarriorPlus, and you can get your affiliate link by this mansai.com website. Suppose you want to promote this product, then go here. You see here the JB page or a document file. You see here sign up this affiliate link. You go here, sign up this link. Request approval and write a note and affiliate request. That's it. Now traffic is the main part of affiliate marketing or online marketing. If you have traffic, then you are king. If you don't have traffic, then you are a big guy. You can't make a single sale. So traffic is the main part. Now I will show you this top 5 traffic OS. So way number 1, it's product review. Before buying any digital products, everyone or 80% of people want to read review. So if you review any product, then you will get a huge traffic for every product's review. So product review is one of the best way to getting targeted traffic by organically. So product review is the first way. And you see here, if you see any upcoming launches, you see Bit Viper, you see here Bit Viper review. You see a lot of people review this post, a lot of people review this product. So product review is one of the best way to get organic traffic for getting high sales. Now way number 2, it's YouTube review. At the same way, here is the blog way or written way. Now is the YouTube review. It's the video version review. And if you see this Bit Viper, you see here a lot of people review this product. It's 3 days ago, 1k view, 155 view, 174 view. In case of review, you don't need so much view, so much traffic for getting sales. It's enough to getting sales. This 155 views, this 174 views, all that super targeted customer. So you don't need so much view. If you get so much view, then it's fine, you will get a lot of sales. In this case, you see here 1k view, 1000 view, at least 70, 80 or 100 sales. This guy get this guy. But for making this review, you see here this Bit Viper, go here and get this JB page. Here is the JB page, and you will get all the funnel, contest, sales page, swift, on page bonus, contact, and you will get all the info inside this JB page for getting all this Cassie point, all this converting point, and you can add it to your website, review website, or your review video. So it's so much difficult and so much tough to get info about this product, all the info inside here, or you can check the sales page and you will get to here all the info about this product. That's it. Now way number 3, it's Google ad. It's Google ad. You see here is one of the ad. So if you don't have review website, or if you are not able to make YouTube review videos, then you can run Google ads, or you can run Google ad campaigns for getting targeted traffic. And you see here is the ad. But in case of ad info, you will get same way as this review or YouTube video, but you can say I have no website, then how can I make this review post for getting for running Google Ads. It doesn't matter. You see here site Google, you can make your review post inside this site Google, and you can easily get approval to run your ads in Google. Now way number 4. It's Facebook group or Facebook page. You can grow it in overnight. You have to grow it day by day gradually, but if you can grow it once, then you will get unlimited traffic for getting high conversion or for getting WarriorPlus sales. And number 5, it's email marketing. In case of email marketing, email marketing is the best and super converting way for any kind of promotion. But in case of email marketing, you have to collect your targeted buyer email first. Otherwise, you don't get this high conversion, 60, 70, 80% conversion from here. If you think I can buy email from very buying and selling email services, but it's not possible. You have to grow your email list by using your Facebook, your website, or your YouTube, or running Google Ads, or buying legit or real solo ad provider, buying solo ads from a real buyer. So guys, all these 5 ways are the best ways to promote WarriorPlus products and make big money per month by WarriorPlus. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others to apply these 5 methods. And you see here, it's Legendary Marketer, an educational training program for online marketing. So if you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then join Legendary Marketer. Or if you are an expert marketer and want to long run your online journey, then join this Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is the best training program at the present time, and it's just needed 7 to join here. After joining here, you see here all these 15 days business challenge. You have to complete all these 15 days business challenge. A coach will be appointed for you to solve all of your problems, and I am a member of Legendary Marketer. I am an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer teaches me how to make this big commission per day by affiliate marketing, per month by affiliate marketing, and a lot of marketing strategies, traffic strategies inside, all marketing strategies inside this Legendary Marketer. So if you want to make big money and if you want to long run your online journey, then Legendary Marketer is the best training program for big money. So guys, all these top 5 ways are the best ways to promote WarriorPlus products, and you can make 100 or more per day. So way number 1, product review. Way number 2, YouTube review. Way number 3, Google ad. And in case of Google ad, you need 30 to 40 days ad budget per day. And number 4, Facebook group and Facebook page. Or number 5, email marketing. And I personally use 2 ways for promoting my WarriorPlus products. And number 1, you see here, it's my review website, and You see here, it's my review website and it's my Facebook page. So guys, I personally use these 2S for promoting JVju and WarriorPlus products. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you see here a lot of helpful content videos inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, apply these 5 methods. I think it's 1 or 2 or 3 methods is enough to make this big commission, big money. So guys, take action, get results. Best of luck. See you soon. God bless you.